On our top list dashboard here, we have a pretty simple dashboard, but a great way to view what's going on in the market in more of a static way. So we have just off the jump, we have the biggest gainers. So here's all the biggest gainers today. Clicking through them just brings up a chart so I can see if these is something that I'm interested in. To change which one I'm looking at here, I can just drag and drop into the top list. You can see now these are all the biggest losers. I can drag and drop the relative volume. So here's all the stocks doing the most volume today. So just this drag and drop interface makes it really, really simple and really, really easy to make sure that I'm looking at whatever I want to look at. I can also scroll down and just check out what's going on there. So some columns we have here, they're all pretty self-explanatory, but it'll tell you how much volume is going on today, what the relative volume is. SGIA is doing 200 times normal volume, all of that information. And again, if I want to go over into the stock info, I can learn more about the individual names.